2023 and all the goals that I have established for myself. Plus, I think it'd be really cool to look at this video at the end of 2023 and see where we've come. First goal, my most important goal personally, is to just reconnect my relationship with my church. And then I'm doubling down on that, unfortunately, by not spending a bunch of time in my word with my devotionals. You know, I made poor excuses, just being tired from work, being overworked. There are people with way worse things going on that make it happen, so I just know it's a bad excuse on my part. I will be going back to Michigan full-time in March or April-ish. With that being said, when I am back home, reestablish my roots. I currently live with my parents. I would like to get my own place, whether it's another apartment, condo, house. The depressing state and the water flows over my body, which is just reconnecting with my family and friends. Traveling so much, being away from them so much this past year, really opened my eyes how much I appreciate them and love them, like even more than I already knew. Just really, you know, taking in, soaking in that time with them, being present with them, good quality time. Like, I just really want that, and I'm looking forward to get as much of that as I possibly can. I want to just document more. I know people always say be more present and stuff like that, and like not be on your phones, but I want to capture those moments, those memories that I'm super present for. So finding that balance of being able to capture those moments with those people I love the most, and just finding a way to creatively express my gratitude for those situations. I think so many times when I look back on the last 5 years of my life with my house, I realized how little I truly documented. And like, yes, we have the stories and the amazing memories, but to like reference a picture or anything like that to help give the story extra context, like that's just what I like to do. I like telling stories. I like reliving moments that meant a lot to me. So I want to find a way to be able to both be present but still expressive, and yeah, I'll figure it out. Wanting to be able to be more supportive to my friends. A lot of my friends have awesome goals and ambitions. I feel I'm pretty supportive, but I want to just continue to like expand on that. How can I go harder? How can I be more supportive of the people who've been so supportive to me our entire lives or friendship or whatever it is? So just making sure I'm going hard for the people who go hard for me type deal. I would like to hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. It'd be a cool number to just kind of see, and you know, I've been going at this like close to 10 years now. You know, really put in the work, and to see that growth has been awesome. So to just continue to grow on that and get to 1,000, and then if we hit that this year, then we just have to make a new goal from there. So we're gonna work hard. We're gonna do everything we can to get to it, and I'm really looking forward to it. That is the goal for this year. I plan to compete in a bodybuilding show, which is what I wanted to do last year, but obviously life got crazy and we weren't able to do that. So this year we're bringing it over. So 2023, we're competing in a bodybuilding show. Here we are. 11 months later, and 2023 is coming to a close. It's really cool to see that video from January, see all the different goals I had for myself, and to reflect on them at this time of the year and see that I was able to accomplish all of those goals. I had so many awesome people, my friends, my family, now Alex in my corner just supporting me, and it's amazing to feel so accomplished, to be able to look back and say, hey, everything that I laid out for myself this year, I accomplished. And I think part of that too is because of that video. I didn't watch it a lot. I haven't seen it since I made it, but to have that video out there, to speak out those goals to the internet, I was able to subconsciously hold myself accountable to those goals and to reflect on everything. I just feel great about the year. There were some unexpected turns, like leaving my job, but then the unexpected highs, like meeting Alex. You know, it made this year this year. At first I thought, hey, this is like a repeat of last year, just now more in Michigan, but this year was completely different and it was way better, and I'm so grateful for it. And I feel like personally I've grown so much spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and I just feel like I'm closer and closer to becoming the man I'm supposed to be. And it has me really excited for the future. It has me really excited for 2024. And making this video made me really happy. Sometimes I get in my own head about making YouTube videos. Sometimes you kind of think about like, man, it's so inconvenient to do these different things. But to be able to make this video and go back and reflect on all the clips and go through all the different files of all the different videos, like, man, it made me so happy, and it made me realize why I love to just document my life. I'm just so grateful for this hobby, and I'm looking forward to 2024 with all the people in my life and with all of you guys watching. Thank you so much for the support all throughout 2023. It was an amazing year. Here's to making 2024 even better. Drop that like, leave a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, turn on the post notifications, send the video to a friend. You know the drill. But most importantly, don't forget to have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number one. God bless.